Need to know how people are finding your website, or if they're finding it at all? Google Search Console is the easiest way to track that information, but there's one problem. You've got to set it up as soon as possible. If you wait, you'll miss out on important keywords, PageRank information, and any site-wide issues that might pop up. So today's video is part 1. I'm going to show you how to set up Search Console the right way. No guessing, no missed opportunities. In part 2, I'll share how to use it to uncover hidden keywords and rank higher in Google. Hit subscribe to make sure you see that video when it drops. For today, you just need a website and a domain that you want to start tracking. Go to search.google.com/searchconsole and you'll see 2 different ways to verify, by domain or by URL. We're going to use the left box so that we can track every page under your domain, regardless of the type of website or platform you're using. Once you've typed in your domain, click Continue, and Google will give you some options on how to verify it. If you use GoDaddy or one of the top providers like that, there will be an automatic verification process you can follow. Just sign into your domain provider and Google will do the rest. If not, you'll need to copy this line of code here and then log into your domain provider yourself, wherever you registered your domain. Now, anytime I mention code, people start looking nervous, like, what am I going to have to do? Well, don't worry. You just have to add it to your domain, and I'll show you how to do that right now. Once you've logged into your domain provider, look for your domains list and find the domain that you're trying to verify. Then look for a button to manage that domain's DNS settings. It might be called Manage or Edit, or even something like Domain Records or Host Records. For GoDaddy, there's a DNS button right here in the same row as the domain. Click that. In Namecheap, it's under Manage, and then you have to click on Advanced DNS. In Hostinger, there's a Manage button as well. You get the idea. If you can't find it, it's probably easiest to ask your domain provider to add the TXT code for you. Just contact their support team, send them the TXT code, and they can do it. But if you found the right spot to manage your domain, then look for this option to add a new record. Pick TXT as the record type, and then paste the TXT code you copied into the value field. The other fields you can just leave as their default value or use the suggestions provided on the screen. Then click to save the TXT record. Worst case scenario, if it doesn't work, you'll just have to contact support anyway. But nothing important will break by adding a TXT record incorrectly. Assuming it went without a hitch, head back to Google Search Console and click the button to complete the verification process. Google will create your Search Console account right away. There won't be any data in it yet because it's brand new, and it takes a couple days to start tracking your website pages and keywords. So to ensure that Google can find your entire website, I recommend adding your sitemap. Go to a sitemap finder like this one and type in your website URL. And by the way, I'll leave links to all of these tools in the description. This particular tool will show you if you have a sitemap already. You should. And then you can copy and paste that sitemap into your Google Search Console right over here under Sitemaps. Now, Google doesn't really need this from you. It'll probably find your pages regardless, but it's just a good way to start things off right. And that's it for now. In a couple months, log back into Search Console and you'll see some keywords you're ranking for and how your website is doing in Google search results. You'll see how many clicks you've gotten, how many times people have seen your website pages, and even the average position your pages are showing up in. Check for part 2 if you want to learn how to use your Search Console information to optimize your website, or hit subscribe if you'd like to be notified when more videos come out. As always, if this tutorial helped, please hit that like button or let me know in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.